Okay, so in the question number 16, they have asked us to normalize the data set which is given in question number 4 and compute correlation and covariance of it to detect whether the productivity increases with the age or it decreases, right? So, in the data of question number 4, they have given the age and they have given the productivity for every age. At start, we just calculate some useful things so that the normalization would be easy. So here we calculated the mean, standard deviation and sample standard deviation basically, just for z score and covariance and correlation. So inside the step 2, we have calculated the z score for each value, right? Both for productivity and the age. And eventually we get a list. For age, the scores were as shown in the screen, and for productivity, the values were as shown on the screen, right? So inside this, you can clearly see that the -2 and this -1, they are kind of really going at left side. We'll see what will happen. So inside the next is the calculate the covariance and correlation. So the overall population covariance comes to be as 94.4630, and the sample covariance comes to be as 100. So the Pearson correlation is basically the formula as covariance of sample divided by sx.sy, which gives us a roughly value to our 0.8. So the 0.8 clearly tells us that it just confirms us that as the age increases, the productivity too increases, right? So this was all we have to do in question number 16. So we have to calculate the normalization values and covariance and the correlation. Thank you.